Cryptocurrency is digital money. Unlike traditional money, which is issued and regulated by governments and financial institutions, cryptocurrency operates on a decentralized network using blockchain technology. This means that transactions are verified by a network of computers rather than a central authority. It's different from the money in your bank. Traditional money, or fiat currency, is physical and can be held in your hand, whereas cryptocurrency exists only in digital form. This fundamental difference means that the way we store and manage cryptocurrency is also different. You need a special place to keep it safe. Just as you wouldn't leave your cash lying around, you need a secure method to store your digital assets. This is where crypto wallets come into play. This place is called a crypto wallet. Crypto wallets come in various forms, including software wallets, which are applications you can install on your computer or smartphone, and hardware wallets, which are physical devices designed to securely store your cryptocurrency. Think of it like your digital safe for your crypto. Just as a physical safe protects your valuables from theft and damage, a crypto wallet safeguards your digital assets from hackers and other threats. A crypto wallet doesn't actually store your coins. Instead, it stores the information you need to access your cryptocurrency on the blockchain. This information includes your public and private keys. It stores something much more important, your private keys. These keys are unique codes that allow you to access and manage your cryptocurrency. Without them, you can't prove ownership of your digital assets. These keys are like secret passwords. Just as you wouldn't share your bank account password with anyone, you must keep your private keys confidential and secure. You need them to access and use your crypto. Whenever you want to send or receive cryptocurrency, you will need to use your private keys to authorize the transaction. Without your private keys, you can't touch your crypto. Losing your private keys means losing access to your digital assets, which can be a devastating experience. It's like losing the key to your safe. Just as you wouldn't be able to open a physical safe without its key, you can't access your crypto without your private keys. So keeping your private keys safe is the most important thing. Whether you choose a hardware wallet, a software wallet, or another method, always ensure that your private keys are stored securely and backed up in a safe place. This way, you can have peace of mind knowing that your digital assets are protected. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. This way, you'll stay updated with all our latest content on mastering crypto wallets and more. There are two main types of crypto wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. They have one key difference: their connection to the internet. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. They are convenient for everyday transactions. You can think of them like your everyday wallet. You use them for quick access to your money. Cold wallets are not connected to the internet. They are like your savings account. They offer the highest level of security for your crypto. Let's look at some of the most common types of cryptocurrency wallets available today. Popular types of crypto wallets include software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. Each type has its own unique features and security measures. Software wallets are applications that you can install on your phone or computer. They are convenient and easy to use, making them a popular choice for many users. These wallets are known as hot wallets because they require an internet connection to function. This makes them accessible but also potentially vulnerable to online threats. Examples of popular software wallets include MetaMask and Exodus. MetaMask is widely used for interacting with decentralized applications, while Exodus offers a user-friendly interface and supports multiple cryptocurrencies. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, are physical devices that store your cryptocurrency keys offline. These devices often resemble USB drives and are designed to be portable and secure. By storing your keys offline, hardware wallets are considered cold wallets, providing an extra layer of security against online attacks. Trezor and Ledger are two of the most well-known brands in the hardware wallet market. They offer robust security features and support a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Paper wallets are the most basic form of cold storage. They involve printing your cryptocurrency keys on a piece of paper. While paper wallets are highly secure from online threats, they can be easily lost or damaged. It's crucial to store them in a safe and secure location. Each type of wallet has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your needs and security preferences. The best wallet for you depends on your needs. Beginners. Start with a user-friendly software wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Security. For maximum security, choose a hardware wallet like Trezor or Ledger. Mobile users. Consider a mobile wallet app for convenience, but prioritize security. Setting up your software wallet is essential for managing your digital assets safely. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of setting up a MetaMask wallet, one of the most popular and user-friendly software wallets available today. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies or looking to switch to a more secure wallet, this step-by-step guide will help you get started with ease. Let's set up a MetaMask wallet as an example. MetaMask is a browser extension and mobile app that allows you to manage your Ethereum-based assets and interact with decentralized applications, dApps, seamlessly. It's known for its intuitive interface and robust security features, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. First, download and install the app. You can find MetaMask on the official website, the Chrome Web Store, or the Apple App Store and Google Play Store for mobile devices. Make sure to download the app from a trusted source to avoid any security risks. Head over to the official MetaMask website and download the app for your device, whether it's your phone or browser. The website provides clear instructions and links to the appropriate download pages, ensuring you get the correct version for your device. Install it just like you would any other app. The installation process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes. Once installed, you'll see the MetaMask icon in your browser toolbar, or on your mobile home screen. Next, open MetaMask and click on Create a Wallet. This will initiate the setup process, where you'll be guided through a series of steps to create your new wallet. MetaMask will ask for your consent to collect anonymous usage data to help improve the app, but you can opt out if you prefer. You'll need to create a strong password. This password will be used to unlock your MetaMask wallet on your device, so it's crucial to choose something secure. A strong password typically includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This password protects your wallet on your device, so make sure it's something tough to guess. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Instead, opt for a unique combination that only you would know. Now MetaMask will show you a list of 12 random words. This is known as your secret recovery phrase, and it's one of the most important aspects of your wallet's security. These words are generated randomly and are unique to your wallet. This is your secret recovery phrase. It's crucial to keep this phrase safe and private, as anyone with access to it can potentially access your wallet and its contents. MetaMask will prompt you to write down this phrase and store it securely. Write it down on paper and never store it digitally. Storing it digitally, such as in a text file or email, can expose it to hackers and malware. Instead, write it down on a piece of paper and keep it in a safe place like a locked drawer or a safe. This phrase can restore your wallet if you ever lose access to your device. In the event that your phone or computer is lost, stolen, or damaged, you can use the secret recovery phrase to recover your wallet and its contents on a new device. Finally, MetaMask will ask you to repeat some words from your secret recovery phrase to confirm that you have backed it up correctly. This step ensures that you have accurately recorded the phrase and can use it for recovery if needed. And that's it. You are now ready to use your MetaMask wallet. With your wallet set up, you can start managing your digital assets, interacting with dApps, and exploring the world of decentralized finance, DeFi. Remember to keep your password and secret recovery phrase secure, and happy transacting. Keeping your crypto safe is essential. Protecting your crypto wallet is crucial. First, enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. It requires a code from your phone, even if someone knows your password. Second, consider using hardware wallets. Store large amounts of crypto offline with a hardware wallet. Finally, beware of phishing. Be cautious of suspicious emails or websites. They might try to steal your private keys. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency is straightforward. To receive, open your wallet app and find your wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Share this address with the sender. To send, open your wallet app, enter the recipient's wallet address, and the amount of crypto you want to send. Confirm the transaction. Always double-check the recipient's address before sending any crypto. The world of crypto is exciting but can be risky. Stay informed and be careful. First, research. Learn about different cryptocurrencies before investing. Second, start small. Begin with small investments to understand how things work. Lastly, secure your wallet. Prioritize the security of your wallet and private keys above all else. Cryptocurrency wallets are your gateway to the exciting world of digital assets. By understanding the different types of wallets, practicing good security, and staying informed, you can navigate the crypto space with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to Krytonite for more amazing crypto news and stay updated on the world of crypto.